You know the edge of the universe. What is it like? Suppose humans fly this tachyon. Travel at a distance of 1 light year per second. So how long will it take to reach the edge of the universe? Fly at this speed. It only takes a second to travel from Earth. At the edge of the solar system, the Oort cloud. So this is a diameter, a spherical region to light years long, enveloping the entire solar system. After 4 seconds of flight, we have come to the nearest solar system to the Sun, Proxima Centauri. It's a 3-star system with 3 stars. It is also the hometown of the Trisolarans. After 8 seconds of flight, you will see a blue, white star. It's called Sirius, is a typical blue dwarf star, the brightest star in the sky. After 20 seconds of flight, we came to Gliese 581 distance. This is a distance from the Earth, just 20.5 light years across. Some scientists even believe that there is a 99% chance of life on this planet. After 7 minutes of flight, we passed by the nearest star cluster to Earth. The Milky Way cluster is composed of more than 3,000 stars. It spans 13 light years. After 10 minutes of flight, we arrived near Shenchu Temple. This is a movie that has been played. Transform into the tacit understanding of life. It will happen soon. Terrifying supernova explosion. After 25 minutes of flight, we passed the Orion Nebula. It's one of the most beautiful nebulae in the universe. If you enter the interior, we'll find, and there are a lot of new stars growing inside. After 2 hours of flight, 3 massive columnar nebulae stand before your eyes. This is the book of creation in the Eagle Nebula. Because its appearance is too beautiful, therefore, it was named the Hubble Space Telescope, one of the most beautiful nebulae ever photographed. After 5.5 hours of flight, we've arrived at the human species, previously the largest known star, Stephenson 218. It's about the size of 10 billion suns, could hold 1.3 trillion billion Earths. After 7 hours of flight, as the density of stars increases, we have arrived at the center of the Milky Way galaxy, a supermassive black hole, and a star in Sagittarius. It guides almost the entire galaxy of stars, revolving around its own fund. After a day of flight, we have finally left the galaxy. Now you can see clearly the entire galaxy. According to astronomers' estimates, he's about 100,000 light years in diameter. It contains approximately 100 billion to 400 billion stars. After a month of flight, we have reached the nearest galaxy to the Milky Way, Andromeda Galaxy. There are 1 trillion of them. Stars like the Sun. So does it. One of the roundest objects visible to the naked eye in the night sky. After 2 months of flight, we flew out of the local group of galaxies. This is a galaxy that includes the Milky Way, total due to 50 weeks. A small group of galaxies. 2 years into the flight, we found out this week's group, it's just in a bigger weak group. He is a superstar group, about 110 million light years in diameter. After 12 years of flight, we flew out of the Laniakea superstar group. It's a giant feather-like structure. Contains at least 100,000 weeks. Only a terrifying 520 million light years. As the ship continues to advance, along the way we saw more and more. A vast expanse of galaxies. Big universe network. But the real end. After more than 1,400 years of flight, we're at the edge of the observable universe. This is the limit of the universe that humans can observe. But that's not the size of the universe. The actual size of the universe is 250 times larger. Even with such amazing speed, we can only get here because the universe is hypervoltaic. What is beyond the universe? Is there a greater universe? Or countless parallel universes? We may never know.